Hey everyone, Liz here from my sewing room at home again. So the kids aren't here. The dogs are quiet. So I thought I would try to get another quick tutorial done for you guys. So I thought, like Melanie had commented on my last video, we could make a mesh bag for the cotton rounds for washing. Now, that's what I have made. However, so it's not very big, okay? Goes in the washing machine for the cotton rounds, but what we're gonna do is something a little bit bigger than this that you can use as a produce bag for when you're grocery shopping. Very quick, simple, 2 materials required. You need either ribbon or string, okay? And some type of mesh for your bag, okay? So at Gem Sewing, we have lightweight mesh fabric for bags, $7.99, okay? And there's quite a bit in there. It's 18 inches by 54 inches. So today for our produce bag, I have 18 inches by 16 inch section to make for our produce bag, okay? So this will be handy when grocery shopping. And you can make lots of them for a very decent price, which is nice. So $7.99, and you can make a few of these bags out of this section of mesh. So another thing you will need is a rotary cutter or scissors, and a ruler if you're wanting straight lines. I literally just cut mine with scissors. All right, so what we're gonna do is go over to the sewing machine and I will show you what to do. Okay, so I have the full sheet out. What I want you to do is fold it in half. Okay, you can see on the folded edge here, I cut about a 1-inch piece. Now the reason I did that is because we're going to make a trough for your ribbon or your string. So that's the first thing we're going to do. So we're going to open it back up once you've made that cut. We're going to fold 1 inch down approximately, okay, on both sides. And we're going to sew with a zigzag stitch straight across that all the way until we get to this side. And we're going to do the same thing with the zigzag stitch. And we're going to sew right across to the end. All right, so that's the first thing we're going to do. Now, if you just give me 1 second here, this clearly isn't going to be perfect if I'm doing it with one hand. I suggest that you go forward and then backward a little bit in order to secure your edge. And then we're just going to go slowly in a zigzag pattern, right down the whole trough. Now I'm going to stop here for a sec, go backwards and forward a bit because that's where my seam is. And then I'm going to need to, or is going to be, fold this section over and do that as well. And again, at the end, go forward and backward to secure your stitches. Now you're going to put your mesh wrong sides together. And you're going to sew all the way down with a zigzag stitch to this corner. You're going to turn and sew to that corner. What we're going to do is create that French seam. Okay, so wrong sides together first, zigzag all the way down your open edges. Okay, just remember that when you're zigzagging, you do not want to close off your trough. So you're going to start just below your trough here. Okay, and go all the way down to the corner and here. All right, so let's do that. I've done that. You can see all sides are sealed. However, we do on the inside have all these frayed edges. So what we're gonna do here, like the French seam that I mentioned, we're just gonna sew again here, okay? All the way down. And I use a straight stitch while doing this one. Okay. And then we will turn it back through. So right now we have right sides together. We're going to do a straight stitch all the way down, the same seam that we just did a zigzag stitch on All right, and then we'll flip it in right sides out and put our ribbon in. Okay guys, so French seam is done. It is basically a very simple, easy bag with a French seam and a trough at the top for your ribbon. Now the bag I showed you earlier here, this one scrunches up. So if you want your ribbon put in like that, okay, so that it does that at the store, okay, you're going to basically need about, for this size bag, you're going to need about 48 inches of ribbon or string. And because it's only me, and this is difficult to do without someone videoing me, I just kind of wrap the ribbon around so you could see what it should look like on the inside. Okay, so it should go through your trough basically twice. So you put it through both ways like this, okay, and then it comes back out on this side and this side. So you can see that the ribbon goes through once and then twice with the ends coming out at the same side. Okay, and then you would be able to pull it closed. All right, so again, because I'm doing this on my own, it's difficult for me to do while holding my phone. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. But again, very simple produce bag, which will allow you to, you know, reduce, reuse your bags while you're shopping, which will help the environment. Okay, so if you have any questions, comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as I can. If you have any suggestions of what you'd like me to make, please feel free to do so. All right, that's it for today. I hope that helped anyone, someone, or at least gave you something to do or some thoughts about something to do. If you have any suggestions, comment below on something you would like me to do for you via tutorial. Again, sorry for the videotaping. Maybe it is better when I have my kids here so that they can tape for me when I can use both hands instead of one. Anyways, I hope everyone is healthy and happy and socially distancing themselves as we are supposed to be. We can't wait to see everyone when this is all over at the store, and I am positive that we are going to have some new, fresh things for you and maybe some other surprises out there. Okay? Can't wait to see you guys. Have a great day, and I will be back again with something else. Okay? Bye.